What position do I play in?
What? We're getting dirty. What position?
Welcome to the vlog, guys. It is Saturday, February the 24th. It is a beautiful day today. It is so crisp. It's still cold, but I'm about to hit the gym. It is mine and Gigi's anniversary today, guys. I don't know what we got planned. It's just been so busy, but I want to thank you guys again. This week has been absolutely epic. Our Amazon launch was unreal. But your feedback from all these vlogs, you guys are enjoying your time watching these, and I'm enjoying making this sit back, a little bit of escapism. I'm going to be providing you some value and some entertainment, hopefully. See you in the next clip. Right, so we're about to get a workout in. This week has been so busy, I haven't had a chance to really get my sweat on. We're building a new photo studio, which is hopefully gonna improve our photos for the website. I already showed you the mess that was, this is, the Phantom launch, guys, is gonna be absolutely unreal. It's gonna be so big. I think it's gonna be our biggest launch. Gigi doesn't want to come on camera. You coming in or what? No? Right, so it's gonna set up some tunes. You can see some of the stuff we're listening to here already in the past. Check this out. Indian flute meditation music. Some serious stuff going on here. Meditated mind. Gigi, what have you been listening to here?
You ready? Let's go.
The table tennis has just come in. I've just picked that up actually, so I'm gonna set that up. And then here's some more of the studio lighting kit that I bought the other day. We're still waiting on the paint. We're still gonna get that paint done soon. I wanna give you a quick outfit check of the day. Don't judge me, guys. Rocking the Legacy hoodie. And then these bad boys. These are my PJs, of course, but they're so comfortable and I actually enjoy working out in these. Then I'm rocking the sandals. I'm gonna be working on body weight exercise. I'm gonna be doing pull-ups, press-ups, some ab workouts, and also, of course, gonna be hitting the rope. So I'm gonna be taking you through this workout in commentary style. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll check you in the next clip. Peace. Right, family, welcome to the commentary. So a lot of you guys have been asking about my workouts, so I decided to film this video quite raw just to take you through the typical routine that I would go through. Here I am using my Versa grips to help me with my pull-ups. It just allows me to just target the lats better, and it helps me with my grip. But I think this commentary is a really good idea for me to just have a chance to talk to you guys one-to-one, let you know what's been going on, and you guys can just check out the footage and see how I train. I typically train with supersets or trisets, which means like 3 exercises back to back or 4 exercises sometimes, and I tend to work towards 5 cycles. So after sort of calculating, I would have done at least over about 120 reps of all these exercises, and I aim to basically attack like a back body part, then I go into a chest, sort of like a press up, and then these leg raises. So I'm trying to hit multiple body parts at once. That's just how I enjoy training, and I think I just get the most out of it. I'm not one to sort of do a lot of kind of bodybuilding and just focus on one body part each training session. I enjoy the sort of functional side of training, meaning more body weight exercises, etc. But what I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about was just things that are up and coming. You guys would have seen in my previous vlog that we have got the heavy rope coming, and you guys have been asking about when that's coming out. So I'm actually looking to bring the heavy rope out just before May, possibly for a pre-order, but I want to actually show it at the exhibition, at the London Excel exhibition that I mentioned to you, that we've got a booth May 9th and 10th. It'd be so great if you guys could come down and visit and see us, and a chance for me to say thank you and just give you a hug and shake your hand. I'm going to have the YouTube flowing. It's going to be so good, and I want to get you on my video. So if you're in the UK, please try and come down for that. And also the mats. A lot of you have been again asking for the mats. Guys, I've been testing this for about a month, about 6 weeks now, because I wanted to make sure that before I bring this product out to the market, it is ready for all the battering that it's going to take, because this is the first jump rope mat concept I think to be released in the world, because we've spent a lot of time on the thickness, the composition of material, the rubber, etc. So that is going to be out with the Phantom launch in 2 weeks for pre-order, and it'll be with you very soon. It's going to be there for free worldwide delivery as well. Amazon has stocked up, but as I'm making this video now, guys, I've just got notification that they've received my latest stock, and that's the new colorways. So you guys will be able to log into Amazon and cop those hopefully as soon as this video is up and running later tonight. So this is Sunday whilst I'm actually doing this voiceover. Otherwise, guys, you can see the workouts I'm doing. I'm back-to-back exercises all the time. I'm working towards 5 cycles in this routine, and in each cycle I'm looking to do 3 to 4 sets. On this occasion I did 3 sets whilst I was recording this, and I've just been out of the gym for quite a while now, so I'm just trying to build my strength back up again. This bench press, for example, was only 15 kgs on each side, so 50 including the bar, but typically I can reach about 70. So I'm not the strongest guy in the world. Like I said, I like to stay functional. I play a lot of football. So staying sort of nimble, lightweight, not too heavy, and not too stocky is just right for me. But I enjoy these type of core exercises, any type of leg raise, using the Swiss ball. I definitely recommend it if you guys have an opportunity or access to that equipment. But now we move on to things like this, which is double unders, which I just love doing at the end of my workouts. Sometimes I do incorporate at the beginning just to get a quick warm up, but typically I do it at the end when I'm already built up a sweat and just finishing off and just burning off those last few calories. I do feel quite heavy, to be honest with you. At the moment I'm 85 kilograms. I would say my usual rate is at about 80 to 81 kilograms, but I've been a little bit off football at the moment. I've been suffering from a few injuries. But yeah, I would typically go for 50 double unders, so set of 4. So by the end of that, I would have hit at least 200 double unders. Just remember with your skipping portion of your workouts, guys, that you focus on form and technique over speed or tricks. That's the number one beginner mistake. You get a better workout if you focus on your technique always. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that routine and that video. I'll see you in the next clip. I'm getting battered. It's been so long since I've done a weight session, and yeah, these are just so ridiculous. I'm sorry guys, I just feel so confident with you now. I feel so comfortable. To be fair, these pajamas are absolutely boss. Just taking some pictures now for the website, guys. Right folks, so workout is now done. I'm still in these ridiculous PJs, but we're gonna set something up. Today is Gigi and mine our anniversary. It's our 6-year anniversary. We're gonna do something cool today. We're gonna try and do a little question and answer between ourselves. We're gonna see how well we know each other. Put a couple of chairs out here. We're gonna get nice and cold, as we always do, and we're gonna do this. Come on, Gigi, man, she's making me freeze right now. Ooh. Right, okay, we're gonna do this nice and quick, right? So this is the name of the game. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions about me. You're gonna write the answer, and we're gonna see who wins.
I'm freezing.
It's so cold. Okay, question number 1. Who is my favorite ever footballer?
Oh,
Right, so the answer is my favorite ever footballer, Diego Maradona. What did you put?
Messi. I was close.
Messi is not.
I'm eating a samosa.
So Gigi, after that first fail, decides to get some food. All right, second question. What is my favorite ever film? Hurry up! Rápido!
I don't know. Like action film?
Any film.
Disney film?
Any film. Disney film. Okay, put 3 films. Put 3 films, because it is quite tough.
Okay.
All right, so 3 films that I think are my favorite are Inception, Prestige, and Matrix.
Oh!
What have you got?
Only good 2.
Gladiator. All right, you got close. All right, give you that. That's 1 point. Question number 3. What position do I play in?
What? We're getting dirty. What position? Calm down.
What position do I play in football?
Huh?
What position do I play in football?
Okay, striker, number 10.
Striker,
Or-
number 10, she knows.
Number 7.
Not number 7, but number 10, yeah. No, striker, yeah. You got that right, I'll give that one. All right, 2 out of 3. Okay, this is a tough one. What is my ideal type of night out? My ideal would be to go for a Nando's and then a shisha. She did. Can you see that? There's a guy. Nando's and shisha. Respect. This wind is gonna really kill this. Oh, what is my favorite possession in the world right now?
What?
What is like the thing that I need? The answer. You guys ready? Chili.
Yay!
Chili. Yes. Can you see that? Chili. Right, so she knows me quite well. 4 out of 5. I'm just easy to know and read. I'm just a simple guy. Like simple Jack. Simple Rush.
Oh yeah. So boring.
I'm boring.
Okay, what's my favorite meal food?
Okay, go.
Gluten-free pizza.
Oh! Gluten-free pizza.
In
Boom!
your face.
That's 1 point. I'm gonna beat you in your face, man.
What sport like I love watching like on TV?
Go.
Boxing.
Boxing! Yes! I'm killing this.
If I go like to a bar, I have like 2 drinks that I drink. Like, what is it?
Okay, I've got my answers.
Disaronno and beer.
Disaronno and beer. Oh my days, I'm killing this. I actually thought I was gonna fail this.
If I'm moody, what's the reason?
This is just typical women. What's your answer?
Because I need to eat.
Hungry.
I need food.
Obviously, hungry. Yes.
What do I love the most in this world apart from you?
Got it.
Dogs.
Dogs. 5 for 5.
Like-
Ganador. Oh.
All right.
Well, that brings us to a close to this little Q&A, little anniversary Q&A. It was pretty easy in the end. 5 for 5. The big boss. So you guys have been talking a lot of trash talk about my last video, Gigi making fun of me. So she's got some more impersonations. I want to hear this. Go for it.
What's happening, guys? It's your boy Rushi Est, aka the Jambro Coach, the Coco Roach.
You say Rushi Est. So
Ok, ¿qué está pasando, chicos? Es tu chico, el Rushi Est. Me gustaría reírme de cómo Rushi habla en español, así que...
Me mata mi
todo el
mente porque
tiempo
tengo que
el-
pensar en castellano,
inglés.
después tengo que traducir todo en inglés, no sé.
Pero bueno.
Pero bueno, nos estamos cagando de
Estamos
frío.
hablando.
Los aprecio mucho, los amo mucho, los quiero mucho.
Oh.
Porque sin ustedes, este canal como, no sé, no sería lo que es ahora. Toda mi gente se mueve. Alright, see you in a bit. You guys want to see something cool? So this was a picture taken 6 years ago. Look at this, a young jump rope coach right here, guys. Ready to take over cardio, change the game.
And check these levels out. Went on like I was celebrating a goal there. Got my little football kit out underneath. We went in big, man. Good times. Look at this shot here. Look how happy I am there. Crazy, crazy party. That's more tango. That's how we rolling. That's Marge, Dad. Check out the number plate. You spelled my name wrong. Put a Y on it. Rolling with that Phantom. Gigi, why not smiling? Haven't seen these pictures in a while. That's a really nice. I like this one. That's a cool picture. Gigi, why not smiling there?
Leave me alone.
Que entretiene, mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.